with quite different taste. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to YouTube. Special vlog today, special edition. Why is it special? It's because tonight I have some things to do, different places in the Copenhagen city, and I would like to take you on a tour. Yeah, why not? And I really wanted to do it because last evening I saw on my phone it was minus 11 degrees Celsius, and that's quite cold. Let's try to give you a view of Copenhagen in this cold January night. And I think I will go through different parts of the city, especially the rich areas. Well, let's take you on a ride and see what happens. Hope you enjoy the vlog tonight. Let's make it lean for you guys so you can see. And there you go. You have a lot of snow here. And let's show you the streets of Copenhagen in January. What's this guy doing in this cold weather? صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا حبيب الله صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا رسول الله صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا حبيب الله رسول الله حبيب الله رسول الله طارت روحي حبا. Let's begin from the Copenhagen Central Station. Here you have to the left Copenhagen Central Station, quite big station actually. And from here you can take the trains to wherever in Denmark. It's a small country, so you don't have to spend so much time on this. But you have a lot of buses to all part of the city here. And the transportation system is quite good actually in this part. On the other side to the right you have Tivoli, which is an amusement park and very famous, popular. If you come to Copenhagen you have to visit this one to the right. Enjoy the central station in this cold January evening. المنام إليك رام كل قربا سيدي لبيك قلبي في المدينة وجد السكينة قال يا نبينا السلام عليك. Do you remember, have you been here in Copenhagen? Do you remember this colorful part of the city at Vesterport station? As you can see here on this side. صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا رسول الله صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا حبيب الله صلوات الله. Not so many people, as you know, especially when it's cold and this time of the year, and also this time on the week. You know, it's January and Monday evening, so you don't see a lot of people. This one you see, when I came to Denmark I thought this was a masjid or a mosque, but it isn't. You see, it's just a wedding hall, banquet, you can have some wedding and so on. It's a restaurant. Seems to be a kind of mosque, you know. We're still inside the Copenhagen city center. And now you have this famous area called Nørrebro. It's not so far away from the city center, but you have to visit this area. It's a lot of Muslim and Arab restaurants here, quite cheap area to visit. And you can reach here by the bus and the metro from Central Station. You can also walk if you are near the Norport station. Let's try. This lake is actually very famous too, and the bridge here is also very full of people in summertime, but right now, as you see, you have a lot of snow, and you have many halal restaurants here in this area. From now on and maybe 5 kilometers further, we have a lot of shops and places with quite different taste. Yeah, let's enjoy this street. Actually, I would like to get some food from here. Okay, nice weather here, fresh. Let's get something to eat and then we will go further on this street and show you all of the Copenhagen this evening or night until morning. In Copenhagen, on this street special, you will see a lot of bikes, you know, in the background, as you see, thousands of them each day. So now we have been on our highway to the north of Copenhagen. North of city center, around 10 kilometers, you will reach this area called Holte, Birkerød, and all this. And this is some of the rich areas in Copenhagen. The first one is Virum we have entered. And here I wanted to show you this way because on this road you will see a very beautiful place, as you can see already. You know, you see in the video up there, the road is actually going up and down all the way, and I really like this kind of. It's very beautiful, especially in summer. You see the road there? Beautiful. I like it. So now we are in some area called Klampenborg. It's also quite nice area. Still cold. As you see, the temperature is about 0 degrees, and this is actually in summer. So beautiful area. No one here in these areas, no. Totally empty streets and roads. And that's the most part of Denmark. In the evening and night hours, you seldom see some cars or any person on the streets because people are going to work tomorrow. And actually, here there are so many houses. It's not because we're outside the city or so, but still no cars, no people in these areas.
Turn right onto Habidorabed.
Well, as you see, the time is now 1:30 and we have moved towards Copenhagen's wealthy area. Let me show you this area and how many people you see. There was one guy here, even though it's 1:30 in the night. This January.
In 100 meters, turn right onto Osterfari Estate.
Okay, let's do that.
Turn right onto Osterfari Estate.
Look at that. This is Copenhagen city, called an area called Østerbro. And you have the US embassy here. You have a lot of homes and apartments here. All of these apartments are quite.
In 500 meters, turn left onto Daghammarskjoldsalle.
Okay, let's do that. But this area you have a lot of apartments, quite small, but still very expensive. As you see these homes too. But you don't see any people this time because everybody is going to be working tomorrow, and when it's cold too, they don't come out. So I really wanted to show you this because this is very unique.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Daghammer's Gonzales.
Yeah, now you know the address too. This is Copenhagen. If you miss it, write in comment if you have been here in Denmark, whether you have been here in a cold and winter day or in the summertime. Summertime is actually one of the beautiful cities in the world, I think, where I have been is actually Copenhagen in the summertime. This is another very quite famous area called Østerbro Trianglen, and this is Østerbrogade, the main street of Østerbro. Even though now it's 3 weeks ago that they had this Christmas, but they haven't removed the lights yet. It's okay, quite beautiful. Riding here in the car and reciting Quran is amazing in this weather. Don't you agree? And then you have some church here. We have a cinema here. Previously cinema, I think they don't have a cinema now. There you have 7-Eleven and McDonald's. The only thing I think has opened now. Everywhere and every other shops they have closed. You see a bike there. And a taxi. Well, you might think, what am I doing here? I have some work to do some places, you know, and I have my computer with me, so I can work a little bit. As you see here, I have my laptop, I have some food with me, so I'm driving somewhere where I have to do some work. And no, it's not a taxi driver or something like that. I don't do that. It's neither is it a taxi, you know. No taxi here. Yeah. And now we have moved to the northern part of Copenhagen city, called Strandvejen towards Klampenborg. This area is called Hellerup, and in Hellerup you find some nice restaurants with a lot of nice shops on this street called Strandvejen. And in the end of this street you will see very beautiful beach on the right. The thing is that today, of course, is snowy and dark because it's evening and we cannot enjoy the view. But in summertime, it's so great view, amazing to drive here and cruise and enjoy the beach on our right. And it's also very famous beach of Copenhagen. Come here, and of course I do not come here because in summertime you as Muslim have some difficulties coming here because people they come naked. But still the place is like very beautiful and amazing. All on our right side there is beach after these homes or houses. And you see there another person going home in this cold weather 1:45, 43 in the night. What have they been doing so late?
وجد السكينة قال يا نبينا السلام عليك قلبي في المدينة وجد السكينة محمد نبينا السلام
600 meters,
عليك صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا رسول الله صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا حبيب الله صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا رسول الله صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا حبيب الله رسول الله حبيب الله رسول الله طارت روحي حبا
continue for 5
في
kilometers.
المنام إليه رام كل قربا سيدي لبيك قلبي في المدينة وجد السكينة قال يا نبينا السلام عليك قلبي في المدينة وجد السكينة محمد نبينا السلام عليك صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا رسول الله صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا حبيب الله صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا رسول الله صلوات الله وسلامه عليك يا حبيب الله رسول الله حبيب الله رسول الله طارت روحي حبا في المنام إليه رام كل قربا سيدي لبيك قلبي في المدينة وجد السكينة قال يا نبينا السلام عليك
So now we have moved to the city center of Copenhagen. Let's see how many cars we see. all the cars are actually taxis, you know, as this one. And I think this time you really don't see people because it's normal day in the week and you see only taxis and some people going home from work. But this is the city center. You might recognize this from so many videos about Copenhagen. Here you have the mayor's
300
house.
meters, turn left onto Storm Gate.
Okay, yeah, you have this. And here you have Tivoli. Tivoli is the amusement park, as I showed you. The beautiful, wonderful Copenhagen. Beautiful city. Even though it's snowy January night. What is the time right now and the temperature? You see it right there. It's almost 3 o'clock. Okay. Let's clean this one for you guys.